Has dhoti, the ancient Indian attire of gods, sages, and kings, now lost its relevance? An elderly farmer accompanied by his son was recently stopped by security guards at the entrance of GT Mall in Bengaluru. Why? Because he was wearing a dhoti, a traditional Indian attire.
ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ನಾವು ಜಿಟಿ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಕ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇವರು ಪಂಚೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡವ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಪಂಚೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರೋರ್ನ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು ಮಾಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ? ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು.
The incident has sparked outrage and protests from farmer unions with demands for action against the mall authorities. Amid the backlash, the mall has now been temporarily shut. Let's trace back the origins of dhoti, its evolution over time, and its significance in Indian culture. The origins of the dhoti can be traced back to the Indus Valley civilization, which flourished around 4000 to 1500 BCE. The dhoti, also known as veshti or mundu, was first called as dhwati in ancient Sanskrit and was worn by both men and women. Some reports also claim that it was originally called a paridhana. Dhoti is a long loincloth traditionally worn in southern Asia by Hindu men, wrapped around the hips and thighs with one end brought between the legs and tucked into the waistband. The dhoti resembles baggy knee-length trousers. The lightweight cotton fabric that is used for the garment is usually white and is often bordered in brightly colored stripes. Depictions of the dhoti can be found in ancient Indian art and sculptures showcasing its importance in daily life and religious rituals. The dhoti was worn by gods and goddesses, kings and queens, and ordinary people alike. Over time, the dhoti evolved and spread to different regions of the Indian subcontinent with various styles and ways of wearing it emerging. From Mahatma Gandhi to Amitabh Bachchan, Sachin Tendulkar, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, many of our prominent personalities have been often spotted pulling off dhoti with much panache. The dhoti is considered a symbol of cultural identity and heritage in India. It's worn on special occasions like weddings, festivals, and religious ceremonies. But the question is, with the latest controversy of the Bengaluru Mall, has dhoti lost the respect it deserves? And why is it looked down upon when it is worn daily in metropolitan cities? Share your opinion in the comments, and for all the updates, keep watching NewsX.